This is actually our second speed mentoring event. Just having practice talking to an unknown adult, that's a real life skill that they need to have. What's fantastic is they've grown. We can see that they're making eye contact, they're shaking hands, they're much more comfortable in their own skin, and that's 3 weeks ago. We cannot replace that with simply just book learning and academic standards. We have to get them in front of people, and we have to get people in front of them. That is what this program does, is it truly brings the outside in and then lets them start thinking about what's outside, what's after high school. We are planning these events, but also our guest speakers. We've had 7 different days where we've had groups of guest speakers into our classrooms. We have 17 sections of this course, so when someone signs up to come to West, they're signing up to talk to 530 students in a day. We had our Providence speakers in on Monday, and they got to go into our biomed class. And we found out about a brand new opportunity for students to go and see the new mock surgery lab that exists at UAA. We took a group of students to Alaska Airlines Aviation Day with some of our partners there. The Career Expo, and we actually have UAA this Friday, which is a massive production. I'm taking 530 bodies out of this building and then add on about 25 teachers that are supporting that. In our previous speed mentoring event, that was mostly parents, but some alumni. We had 3 that had graduated in the last 5 years. They're excited to come back and give back, and they all say, I wish we'd had this when I was in high school. That is the repetitive message that I get from most of these adults, is they haven't seen this before.